Which are the common inflows are maybe cash sale, collection from the debtor, sale of asset, issue of share, issue of debenture, interest on bank deposit, any call scenarios collected. When you have to purchase, it includes the cash purchases as well as the credit purchases. Hello, my dear students. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram, First Rate College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 2, Session 5 of BCom in favor of cash management. So we are handling 6th semester BCom of cash management means cash budget. So cash budget plays very, very important role. How much inflows are, how much outflows are. Which are the common inflows are maybe cash sale, collection from the debtor, sale of asset, issue of share, issue of debenture, interest on bank deposit, any call scenarios collected. Which are the cash outflows are payment to creditor for purchases, wages paid, rent paid, manufacturing expenses, other expenses paid, dividend paid, tax paid. All these items going to be outflow. From the inflow, outflow will be deducted. The balance is called the closing balance. That becomes the opening balance for the next month. It will continue the same. We'll move on to problem now. Sachin Traders Limited gives the following information and requests you to prepare a cash budget for 3 months, April to June. So they have given the sale. When you say includes the sale, it includes the cash sale as well as the credit sale. When you have got to purchase, it includes the cash purchases as well as the credit purchases. Wages paid, ME means manufacturing expenses, O means other expenses. Cash in hand on 1st April is 1,60,000. When you start the business, we are having 1,60,000. 50% is the cash sale. Discount allowed at 2%. To debtor for prompt payment. 50% debtor pay in the month following the month of sale. Balance in the next month. Sales commission at 5% on sale is to be paid to salesman in the month following the sale. Creditors are paid in the month following the month of supply. If we purchase this month, we will pay in the next month. Rupees 1,50,000 is to be expected to receive as deposit from distributors in May. Loan installment 60,000 is payable on quarterly basis in April and July. 60,000 in April, 60,000 in July. Loan installment of 60,000 is payable on quarterly. So one in April, one in July. Dividend of 20% on paid up capital of rupees 2 lakh is payable in May. Lag in payment of wages half a month and manufacturing 1/4. Same of the half month. Other half is of the last month. Here, same of the 3 months, 1/4 of the last month. We'll work out this one. So first here, working note. Sales. First, February sales, 50% sale. February sales, how much? 3,50,000 minus 50% cash sales. Half of that, 3,50,000. 350 divided by 2, 1,75,000. The balance is 1,75,000. That is the cash sales. This is the credit sales. Then they told me about the discount. This is money to be collected. How much discount is allowed? 2%. Minus discount 2% on 1,75,000 into 2 divided by 100. 3,500 deduct 1,71,500. So here 50% collected in March, 50% in April. 1,71,500, 71,500 divided by 2, 85,750. This is collected in March, 85,750 collected in April. Half in March, half in April. Come back to March. What's the March sale? February over. March is 4,20,000 minus 50% cash sale, 2,10,000. Another 2,10,000 is the credit sale minus discount at 2%. 2,10,000, 4,200. Deduct 2,05,800. 50% in April, 50% in May. So this is 2,05,800, 1,02,900. This is in April. Another 1,02,900 in May. So February over, March over, April sales, February, March, 2,60,000 minus 50% cash sales, 1,30,000. Balance is 1,30,000. What is this? Credit sale minus discount at 2%, 1,30,000, 130 followed by 30 into 2 divided by 100, 2,600. So 1,30,000 minus 2,600, 1,27,400. 50% in May, 50% in June. Half of this, 63,700, 63,700. So this goes. So April we have got, May you have got, another June. April. May sale, $250,000 minus 50% cash sales, 1,25,000. Balance is 1,25,000. This is the credit sale minus discount at 2%, 1,25,000 into 2 divided by 100, 2,500, 2,005, 1,22,500, 50% in June, another 50% in July. 50% of this 61. This is 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 2s are 61,250, 61,250. Come back. Collection from debtors. Collection from debtor, how much you have collected? April. See the April. April 85,750 plus 1,02,900. 85,750 plus 102,900, 1,88,650. Then May, come back to May, 1,02,900, 63,700. 1,02,900 plus 63,700. 1,66,600. June, here June 63,700 plus 61,250. 63,700 plus 61,250. 1,24,950. So this is collection. Now, first question has been answered. This has been answered. Sales commission 5% on sales is to be paid to the salesman in the following month of sale. Means March in April, April in sale. So sales commission. So sales commission. March sale. March 4,20,000. March, April, May. March in April, April in May, May in June. What's a March sale? 4,20,000, 2,60,000, 4,20,000, 2,60,000. This is the sales. 2,50,000 in May, 2,80,000 in June. March in April, April in May, May in June. What's the percentage? Sales commission? 5%. 5% of 4,20,000 paid in April. 4,42 into 5 divided by 100. So 21,000 on this here. 21,000 paid in April. Paid. Then 2,60,000 into 5 divided by 100. 13,000 paid in May. 2,50,000 12,500 paid in June. This is important. 21,000, 13,000, 12,500. Then regarding what is next, they say sales credit are paid in the following the month of same. 15,000 is okay. Lag in payment of which half a month wages. Half of same month. Come back here. What's the wages of April? 36,000. Half means 18,000. April 18,000. Half of that. May you got 32,000. April 32,000. Half of that 16,000. 16,000. Then you got 30,000 in June. Half of that 15,000 of this same month. Then half of same month. Then half of last month. March, how much there? Wages 30,000, half means 15,000. Another half 18,000. Another half 16,000. Half of the same month, half of the next month, half of the same month, half of the next month, half of the last month, half of the next month. 33,000, 34,000, 31,000, 33,000, 34,000. MFG, manufacturing expenses. Lag in payment 1/4, 3/4 of same month. 3/4 of same month. April. April, how much is there? April. Manufacturing April 14,000. So 3/4 means 7,000 plus 3,500. 10,500. Same month. April. May. This is April or May. 16,000. Half is 8,000. Another half is for 12,000. 3/4. Then June 18,000. 3/4 means 9,000. Half means 4,500 means 13,500. Then 1/4 of last month. 1/4 of last month. March. March, how much you got? Manufacturing. So 12,000. 1/4 means 3,000. Here, you got totally how much you got? April 14,000. Out of that, 10,500 gone. The balance is 3,500. May 16,000 of the same month. Out of that, 3/4 means 12,000. Half of that last month. So here 10,500, 3,500. Totally May is how much? May is 16,000, 3/4 is 12,000, balance is 4,000. This is 13,500, 15,500, 17,500. Paid. Paid. 3 months cash budget for 3 months. April, May, June. Opening balance in the month of April, 1,60,000. Add cash inflows. First, number 1, cash sales 50%. Cash sales 50% of the same month. So cash sale April 50% means 1,30,000, 1,25,000, 1,30,000, 1,25,000, half of that. See that? 2,60,000, 1,30,000, 2,50,000, 1,00,000, 2,40,000, 1,40,000. Number 2, collection from debtors. Collection from debtors. So 1,88,650, 1,88,650 as per the working note. 1,66,600, 1,66,600, 1,24,950. This is collection from debtor. This over. Then what is inflows? Debtor paid 1,50,000 is expected to receive deposit from distributor in May. So deposit received. Number 3, deposit received. Which month? Deposit received 1,50,000 in the month of May. 1,50,000. Deposit received 1,50,000. What is next one? Any income? Loan interest of 60,000 is payable. Dividend paid. All paid now. Cash is over. Cash in hand as sales commission is payable. Credit are paid. 1,50,000 distributed. This is a payment. This is a payment. This is a payment. Okay. Add this. Total cash inflows A. 1,60,000, 160 followed by 30 plus 1,30,000 plus 1,88,650, 4,78,650 is inflow minus cash outflows, creditors for purchases, 1 month gap, March in April, April in May. It's a March purchase, 2,50,000. So, which has been March in April, 3 lakh, paid in April, 3 lakh, paid in April. This is March in April, April in May, 3 lakh 20, May in June, 3 lakh 40. See this? So March in April, April in May, May in June. So this over. Then regarding sales commission, sales commission. Sales commission. So 21,000, 13,000, 12,500 is 21,000, 13,000, next 12,500. Number 3, wages, 33,000, 34,000, 31,000, 33,000, 34,000, 31,000. Wages over. Manufacturing expenses, MFG expenses, manufacturing expenses, 13,500, 13,500, then 15,500, 17,500. Other expenses, no information means paid in the same month. Other expenses. So April, 18,000, 20,000, 20,000. 18,000, 18,000, 20,000, 20. Other expenses, 20,000. Then come back here. Then credit are over. Expected loan installment. Loan installment. So loan installment paid 60,000. Loan installment 60,000 is payable on quarterly basis. April, July. April 60,000. April 60,000. Next July. This is April, May, June. Then loan installment is over. Dividend 20% payable in May. Dividend 2 lakh into 20%. 2 lakh, 20% payable in May. Payable in May. Add the figure now. 3 lakh plus 21,000 plus 33,000 plus 13,500 plus 18,000 plus 60,000. 4,45,500. 4,45,500. Repeat. 3 lakh plus 21,000 plus 33,000 plus 13,500. 4 lakh 45,500. Total cash outflows B. Closing balance A minus B. Closing balance A minus B. From A you have to take. What's your A? 4 lakh 78, 4 lakh 78, 650 minus your outflow 4 lakh 45, 500, 33,150. That's a closing balance. Become the opening balance for next year 33,150. Add the figure 33,150 plus 33,150 plus 1,25,000, 1,25,000 followed by 30 plus 1,66,600 plus 1,50,000, 150 followed by 30, 1,50,000 is equal to 4,74,750. Outflow 32,000, 3,20,000, 320 followed by the plus 13,000 plus 34,000 plus 15,500 plus 20,000 plus 40,000. 4,42,500. 4,42,500. Here how much? 4,42,500 minus 4,74,750. So 32,250. 32,250. That become the opening balance 32,250. Add the figure 32,250 plus 1,40,000 followed by 30 plus 1,24,950, 2,97,200. Outflows 3,40,000, 3,40,000 plus 12,500 plus 31,000 plus 17,500 plus 20,000, 4,21,000. 4,21,000, 2,97,200, 1,23,800. Overdraft facility. So all the items you have taken into consideration. Sales commission 1,50,000 is expected deposit. This also May. See that we are collecting May. Okay. Then see that sale made, dividend paid, loan installment payable, quarterly basis in April, and 60,000 is payable. quarterly loan installment of the 60,000 payable on quarterly basis, April and July, then half of the month. So everything is covered here. So I worked out 3 lakh 50% is cash sale, 1 lakh 75,000. Then another 50 discount here, 85,700 collection we have been made here. So cash sale 1 lakh 20, 35, 1 lakh for collection from debtor, creditor for purchases, sales commission, wages paid, manufacturing expenses paid, other expenses, no information paid in the same month, loan installment 60,000 in April, once in the dividend 2 lakh, and this is 40,000. So closing balance 33. Then this is outflow is more, 3 lakh 40,000 creditor is there. So outflow is more here. That's why we have taken the overdraft facility. You got a balance in April, you got a balance in May, but there's a overdraft facility in the month of June. Hope you understand. So working note is quite essential here. So there are so many inflows and outflows are there, how they have been collected, how they have been outflows are there. Be careful about this. Hope you understand this. We'll meet in the next session with another problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.